Okay, this box of knobs is intermittent. As you can see right here, my volumes and tones are maxed out. I'm on the humbucker pickup. This right now, I'm just using, it's a tuner, and I can cut off sound to my amp so I don't blow the speaker switching these cables, but I will show you right now. I don't know if you can hear my strings in the room. I'm hammering them. The box of knobs is passing no sound. I'll turn it on, and I got nothing. Well, actually, I'll take that back. There's a very, very faint sound, and no matter where I put these, sorry for the terrible lighting. I don't know if you can hear that in the video. It's a very just faint sound, and I will take this box of knobs and remove it, and I'll show you how loud my guitar is in the room. Blow out my speaker or my mic on my iPhone. All right, so there, and this is, it's not always like this. Sometimes it'll work. There's some type of intermittent electrical problem in there. But let me take it out and I'll show you how loud my guitar is. This is heading straight into my amp. Alright, that's how loud my amp is. And once again, I will show you how. I don't know why it's like this. It's intermittent. When I first plugged it in, it was hard to put in one of these jacks. I don't know which one, but it was harder than it should have been. I don't know if there's something wrong with the input or output. I don't know. But once again, here it is. It's not passing any. It's not passing any sounds, man. This is a bummer.